Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at a 2 glass door, slide door, refrigerator merchandiser unit. Okay, the brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. As you can see in front of the unit. Okay, as we mentioned, this is 2 doors, glass, slide doors. Okay, so they're both going to be slide doors. Now I'll show you the inside, I'll give you the inside measurements in just a bit. I want to go ahead and measure the exterior for this refrigerator. First, for the length, you're looking at 47.5 inches. For the depth, you're looking at a total of 28 inches. And the overall height, you're going to be looking at a total of about 79 inches high. 79. Okay, the unit does have wheels on the bottom, casters, so you can easily move it around. Okay, now back to the front. These are going to be automatic slide doors. Okay, so if you go ahead and open up this door, it'll automatically close. Okay, just like that. So they're going to be both automatic. I want to go ahead and open up the unit, show you the inside. On the inside, you'll locate both your fans for the cooling as well as your shelves. Total of 8 shelves, 4 on each side. You also have LED lighting on the inside for this unit. Okay, these shelves are adjustable, so you have a rack. You can adjust these shelves to whatever level you want them to be at. Also, you have lighting on the top banner as well for this unit. Now, inside measurements. Front to the back, you're looking at 21. Left to right, you're looking at a total of about 44. Overall height, you're looking at a total of 52 inches. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this unit. Okay. And also on the inside, we have a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit. This unit is going to be certified by the health department as well, so you can locate your certification on that same sticker. Okay, lastly, if you follow me over to the back, you'll be able to locate your plug on the back. Standard US plug runs on 110 volt. You can also locate your compressor on the back, on the bottom of this unit. Okay, so all that information, plug, compressor, you got your sticker on the inside. And one more thing before we go, temperature control located on the bottom of the unit. So it'll display temperature once the unit is on and running. You can also set your temperature on that control. We'll have instructions on how to do that, manual, as well as instructions on the control. So if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, we have all the information on the booklets. Okay, so this is a 2-door glass slide door cooler. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.